Right. Today's match, Parlo Community versus Gummas. The morning match, first match, Parlo Community versus Gummas. The big match. Yes, home ground Parlo Community. Babani versus Anando. First match. Players are playing well. Today's match is starting and running. Service goes to Parlo Community. Yes, match will start. What a match. Service goes to Gummas. 0-0. Points 0-0. Gummas 0, Parlo Community 0. Morning match, first match. Parlo Community versus Gummas. Bhavani versus Anando. Big match, big players, big teams. The morning match, first match. What a match. Yes. Yes. What a match. Gummas players and Parlo Community players. Good players, best players and senior players. Alright, service goes to Parlo Community. Parlo Community player Suresh. 0-0 score. Parlo Community 0, Gummas 0. Match is running. Yes. This is a wonderful game. Daba volleyball. Home ground Parlo Community. Players are playing well. Right, 1-0, 1-0. Parlo Community points 1. Gummas 0. Matches continue. Yes, this is big match. What a weather. Players are playing well. Yes. Parlo Community points 1. Gummas 0. Match is running. Bhavani versus Anando. Who is win? Please watch. Yes. What a game, early morning game. This is first match. Gummas versus Parlo Community. Parlo Community captain Anando and Gummas captain. Service goes to Parlo Community player Suresh 2-0. Parlo Community points 2 and Gummas 0. Right. This is a big match. Home ground Parlo Community. Parlo Community captain Anando, Gummas captain Bhavani. Bhavani versus Anando. What a match. Morning match, first match. Match is continued. Big players. Two team players are playing well. Right, service goes to Parlo Community 3-0. Parlo Community points 3. Gummas 0. Match is running. What a shot. Yes. What a taken. Yes. What a shot. Service goes to Parlo Community 4-0. Parlo Community points 4. Gummas 0. Match is continued. What a match. What a right, service goes to Parlo Community 5-0. Parlo Community points 5, Gummas 0. Six zero. Parlo Community service 6-0. Parlo Community points 6. Gummas 0. Yes. 6-0. Parlo Community 0.6, Gummas 0. Match is running. What a match. Babani versus Anand. Yes, Parlok MD versus Guma. What a match. Yes, Parlok MD players and Guma's players, senior players and junior players playing as well. What a match. This is big match. First match. Home ground Parlok MD. Guma versus Parlok MD. Babani versus Anando. Right, 6-0. Parlok MD point 6. Guma 0. Who is win? Please watch. What a match. What a match. Yes. This is morning match, first match. Parlok MD versus Guma. What a shots. What a takens. All players, two team players playing as well. Who is impact player? Who is impact player? Right. Please watch. Right, service goes to Parlok MD player. Suresh 7-0. Parlok MD point 7. Guma 0. Service goes to Parlok MD. What a match. 7. Service goes to Guma's captain Babani. 0-7. What a match. This is first match. Guma versus Parlok MD. Babani versus Anando. 0-7. Match is running. Match continued. What a match. What a weather. What a players. This is home ground from Parlok MD. Parlok MD versus Guma's match. What a match. Yes. 0-7. Parlok MD point 7 and Guma's 0. Please watch this big match. What a game. Good taken, good shots. Players, very effective players. Best players, super players. What a game. This is Daba Volleyball. Morning match, first match. Babani versus Anando. Guma versus Parlok MD. Match is running. Points, Parlok MD point 7. Guma points 0. Service Gumas. What a match. Players are playing well. Who is win? What a shot. What a shot. Right, 1-0 service goes to Guma, Captain Babani. 1-7. Service goes to Gumas. 1-7. Gumas points 1. Right, Gumas 2. Parlok MD 7. Service goes to Gumas players. What a match. This is morning match, first match. Big match, big players. What a shot. Yes. I think it is a big match. Please watch. Out. Alright, code is changed. 7-2. Parlok MD points 7 and Guma's points 2. Match is running. Service goes to Parlok MD player Suresh. Right, 7-2. Service goes to Parlok MD. Yes, score is changed. This is first match. Parlok MD versus Gumas. Parlok MD captain Anand and Gumas captain Babani. Babani versus Anand. What a match. This is morning match. Home ground Parlok MD. Two team players. They're playing well. 7-2. Match is running. Yes. What a placements. What a taken. What a taken. What a shot. What a shot. Yes. The Gumma players and Parlok MD players